Hi, my name is Jessica Goins with First Chance for Children, and I would like to welcome you to our March Mindfulness Kit. With me, I have my helpers,
Aaliyah, Deja.
And they're going to get started on what's called an emotions rock. So, girls, go ahead and get started. Emotions rock is just a rock that represents different emotions, and you can paint it however you want: happy, sad, mad, angry, excited, surprised. It doesn't matter. It's your rock. You can go collect rocks of all different sizes outside, or you can even be creative and find other objects outside and paint on those. It doesn't necessarily have to be a rock, right? And so you can find leaves and paint emotion leaves, sticks, emotion sticks. So be creative, have fun. Of course, every time we do these kits, we want you to do it with the intent of having fun. There is never a right and wrong way to do these activities. So while the girls are painting their emotion rocks, I want to let you know too that if you didn't want to paint, you can use markers or other things and be creative with it. So once again, this is March Mindfulness Kit. What is mindfulness exactly, right? How do you tell what mindfulness is to you or someone else? So what mindfulness is you simply being aware, noticing, observing, paying attention, becoming in tune with not just yourself, but your mind, your body, other people's emotions that may take aware of what's going on around them. Okay, so in your kit, you're going to have an ABC Mindful Me book, something that you can read with the kiddos. You have your snacks, of course. We have some Fruit Loops, cutie, and some raisins. And then there's bubbles, right? For the littles, popping the bubbles, being aware of where they are in space, where they are, popping them. How does that feel? How does it look? You can come in tune with all your developmental domains. And then you will have a color spot. And so this right here is something that you can lay somewhere and say, this is my reading spot. This is my writing spot. This is my craft spot. So that circle or that dot represents where it is that you can go and enjoy something that's mindfulness, something that takes your mind away from your everyday stress. And so you can do that. You also have different sheets of paper in there to be creative and create something around mindfulness. You might draw something pretty, right, and hang it up, and that just relaxes you and takes your mind off of it. So mindfulness is going to look different for any and everybody in what you do, but it's something to unplug, just relax. It could be reading a book. It could be singing a song. It could be playing a game. It can be listening to music. Anything that might help you relax and take your mind off of your everyday stress. Um, there's yoga. Yoga for kids is in here. How you can do different yoga poses to help relax the body. We will actually be having a yoga done via Zoom on March the 18th from 6 to 6:30. The information is in your pack, so stay tuned and join us if you would like to do 30 minutes of relaxation of yoga. Something also in the kit. This is something that I found cool. This right here is a color hunt. So as spring starts, things are going to start to be very colorful outside, and so you can take the kids on a color hunt. So it's going to recognize their colors. They can pinpoint out different colors and point them out and tell you what color they are. Or if they don't know their colors exactly yet, but can recognize them, it helps with recognizing different colors as well. Sun breathe. This is in your kit. And you also have a little sun, right? Sunshine always helps me relax. It makes me more happy and in a better mood when the sun is out. And so I'm going to read to you this little poem to kind of help you see how the sun can actually help not just you, but others, right? So imagine you're a sun. Take a big deep breath in, and, and then as you let it out, send out your rays of sunshine. Do it again. Take a deep breath in, and as you let it out, send out your rays of sunshine. Send them out in front of you. Send them out behind you. Send them out to the left of you and out to the right. Send sunshine in a big circle all around you. You're spreading sunshine everywhere. Feel it getting brighter and warmer all around you every time you breathe in and out. Time for a sunny day. So I know today, this particular day in question that I'm recording this video, it's pretty windy outside, but it has been quite warm these past few days and going to continue to get warm, right? And so embrace that sun. Remember to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So Aaliyah says she's done with her emotions rock. So let's see what she got going on. And Deja's done too. So Aaliyah, tell us about your emotion rock. What did you do?
Silly rock.
She did a silly rock. So can you show everybody your silly rock? So because she painted it, it's going to have to dry, but that's her silly rock. All right, Deja, what did you do? A shock rock. So her rock is in shock. Can you show everybody what your rock looks like? So that's her rock and that's Aaliyah's rock. And so these rocks, after they dry, they can set them somewhere and remind themselves what it is to be silly or what it is to be sharp. And like I said, they can collect more rocks and do more activity or more emotions on those rocks to express different feelings. And so as we close out this kit, I want to teach you a few deep breathing techniques. They actually use these in the schools as a second step to help kids calm down when they need to. So there's the balloon. Do you guys know how to do the balloon for breathing? So you, and then you let it out. And then there's the breathing with the bunny. So girls, I'm going to help you. You get your bunnies and and then there's the starfish, or there's the pretzel. So you put your arm out like this and then you fold it up and then slowly breathe it out and let go of your pretzel. So them are just breathing techniques that you can do when your child is feeling overwhelmed or stressed, or maybe you yourself. So once again, I'm Jessica with First Chance for Children. My helpers,
Aaliyah, Deja.
We are signing off, and we hope that you really enjoyed some of the activities that I mentioned in this month's mindfulness kit. Remember, take time for yourself, unplug, and just relax. Remember that you have to be able to find what it is that you like and enjoy to do better things for not only your kids, but yourself. So once again, we're signing off. Thank you.